Hey guys, it's Baki from Eurozia Tech, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of a popular device in the budget segment, which is the Honor Play. Taking a look at the box at first glance, you will notice the power brick adapter that has been added for customers in the US. Let us keep that aside. We will now take a few seconds to actually open up the box completely. Opening up the box, we have the phone in an enclosure, as you can see. So we'll just take it out of the enclosure. Yes, wow, the phone actually looks very pretty and premium. But for now, we'll keep that aside. Let us check what we have inside the box. First of all, in the box, we have a paper which details the device variants. And after that, we also have a cardboard paper that houses the SIM ejector tool. Also, you have the user manual that has been translated in various languages, as you can see. Then we have the warranty card. Also underneath the warranty card is now the transparent elastic casing, which will offer some form of protection to the device. And it's nice to see this has been included in this phone. Thumbs up to Honor. Looking further in the box, we have a USB cable, and from all indication, this is a Type-C cable, which is quite common in devices in 2018, and it's nice to see that Honor has included one. We also have a pair of wired earbuds that have been included. Thumbs up, Honor. Finally, we have a charging brick, and from all indication, I think this is an 18 watts and 5 volts quick charger. It is nice to see Honor have included this in their device. Other device manufacturers should follow in Honor's footsteps and include a fast charger for devices that actually support quick charge. Looking at the device, we can see the body of this device actually sports a metal finish, which gives it a premium feel and a sleek look. But I must say that it actually feels a little bit slippery to hold. This is where the casing will come in handy. The top of this device has only a mic, while at the bottom of the device, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have the speaker grills, the USB Type-C port, and another mic. On the display, we have a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen with thin bezels and a notch, which is a trend of 2018. It also has the Honor branding at the chin of the device. Pushing the box aside, let us put up the TP casing on the phone. Before I forget, the right side of the phone actually has the volume rockers and the power button, while the left side of the phone sports the SIM tray. Okay, now, as you can see, the case actually fits snugly inside the device, which is good. Let me take a moment to take out the SIM tray, which from all indications is actually proving a little bit difficult to remove. Okay, now here it comes out. As you can see, we actually have a hybrid SIM tray, which supports memory card for up to 256 gigabytes. Although I would have loved a tri-slot, but putting back the SIM slot and powering up the phone, we can now set up the device. After setting up the device, we are greeted with the home screen, which has the EMUI user interface. To be honest, I'm not a very big fan of this user interface, but here are some quick specs of the device. The device out of the box comes with EMUI 8.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, but it can be updated to Android 9.0 Pie. This variant is the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version and is approximately $260 as at the time of filming. This device can be gotten on Amazon. Link to the device is placed in the video description below. Moving through apps and the phone feels very smooth, without any lag, and multitasking works without a hassle, which can be due to the fact that this phone sports a flagship Kirin 970 processor, which is fabricated on the 10nm process. The phone also comes preloaded with some games and Google apps. We will be doing a full gaming review of the Honor Play very soon, so stay tuned for that. That is all for the unboxing and first impression of the Honor Play. The full review will drop very soon, so subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notification when we post a video. That's all for now. Peace.
The other